Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome to day 7 of the Command 66-Day Challenge. Today we're going to talk about custom tags. So tags are a way for you to literally tag your contact cards so that you can sort them in the future. It allows you to kind of group all of your contacts together in certain lists or certain groups, for lack of a better word, so that you can then see just the contact information that you want to see for those particular sets of contacts. So if you are putting in a new contact, it's pretty simple. You would just go to your contacts, you're going to add a new contact, and then it is one of the choices down here. You're going to see system tags, which have already been put in. However, we're looking for custom tags. So if you already have some custom tags created, you can choose from them here, or you could actually type it in. So say I wanted to create one that was Seller 2019. I could create that tag by just hitting that, and then now that tag will be available for me to tag this person with and in the future as well. So that's how you can create custom tags one way. I'll show you another way in just a second. If you've already imported contacts and you want to go back and add tags to them, you can actually pull up the contact card, click on the pencil to edit, and then come down to custom tags, and you can tag them here as well. And then finally, once you get into your settings, you have a little more control on your custom tags. So if you come to settings, and on the left-hand side, you'll choose custom tags. This is where you can actually create those tags in here. The nice and cool thing about creating them on this screen is that you can actually choose a color. So if you wanted to color code your tags, you could do that from the settings screen within the custom tags submenu in the settings. So two different ways to actually create the tag. One way to edit tags if you've already added the contact. And that's day 7 of the Command 66-Day Challenge. Kind of get in, create a few tags. I will say a couple of words of advice. One, be careful about creating too many tags. You don't want to have, 2 people in a group that you created a custom tag for. Then it's just kind of pointless, if you will. So some of the examples that I've gotten and some of the examples that I've used, obviously I'm big on the year. So I like to create buyer 2019, seller 2019. That way I can go back and see 2018, 2017, kind of sort through and find out. Some people have put things like sphere or SOI, maybe things along the lines of what they're looking for. So they're looking for a specific neighborhood. You could do that. Some people have put in land or single family residence or condo or townhome, so they can search all of their townhome buyers really quick and easy should they take a townhome listing. So there's a variety of ways to use them. I might map out the tags that I was going to use if I had a big database that didn't have tags in it prior to actually assigning them. So that way I made sure they were all the same. In addition, you want to make sure your entire team is using the same sort of tag. So one example came up earlier where if I was putting somebody in as a veteran and then somebody else came along and put them in as VET, then when we pulled the lists, if we only pulled veterans or we only pulled vets, then we'd be missing half the people in our database. So just make sure your team is all on the same page with regards to these custom tags. Make sure they're impactful and that they are going to have a large number of people in those groups, generally speaking, in order to have the greatest impact for your business. That's day 7, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your week. I'll look forward to speaking with you tomorrow.